Okay, I just finished installing Drupal on my local web server, version 6.14, and I already copied the modules into Drupal sites or modules. You will see the module versions when I go to administer modules. I start by enabling the CCK modules. Then the PHP filter and the statistics, the Dash Media Player and the Dash Media Player statistics. Then I go and enable the services module and the AMF PHP. Next I enable the node service, the system service, and the voting service. Now only missing the views modules and the voting API, and saving the configuration. Okay, all my modules have installed successfully, including the PHP filter, the Dash Media Player 1.7, the statistics, the services 0.15, AMF PHP, which doesn't give me a version number, the node and system service 0.15, and the voting service 1.7, the views modules 2.7, and the voting API 2.3. So I go back to configure the permissions. And enable the node service module, load any node data, and load own node data. I also enable the access services and the administer services, as well as the access statistics. Followed by the views module, access all views. Okay, I save permissions and go to administer services for creating my key. Okay, go and copy my localhost Drupal 3 directory and paste it in allowed domain and create my key. Next, I go and copy my Dash player into my Drupal root and rename it to player, where there is my Dash player and everything I need. I go and copy my key and paste it into config -config XML AP key. For getting my link to the gateway, I go to browse AMF PHP and copy the address and paste it as my gateway. What's missing is my base URL, which I get by going to my homepage. And adding the flash variables for telling that I'm in Drupal 6. Okay, I think this looks quite alright. I save and close the file and go back to Drupal to administer. For setting the path to the Dash player, which is player for being sure that I get it right. I test it in another tab. It's okay. Save configuration. Okay, and time to go back to administer and add my content types. Called video and video. I go to manage fields and add a new field, video upload, and video upload with underscore, no spaces. File type is file and file upload. And going to the permitted upload file extensions, where I choose FLV, MOV, MP4, and M4V. Hit required and save the settings. Adding the new field video thumbnail, called video underscore thumb. Another file field with file upload. Okay, now I can add some content. I just call it test and browse for a small working FLV file called Caramelos and a little picture called test.jpg. Okay, the files are here. For seeing a video, I go to administer, contemplate, edit my template,
okay, I'll paste the little PHP code and hit save. Going back to my content, you can see nothing. The player is showing up, but the video isn't. If I select this and inspect it with the Firebug, I can see the player showing up and the values being passed, but no idea if this is correct. Would be great if you could help me a little bit with this part. Thanks a lot.